Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a K1 media filter. First, you will need to understand the fundamental principles behind this effective biological filtration method. Next, gather all your necessary components, including a sturdy container, an air pump, and the K1 media itself. Finally, prepare your chosen container, ensuring it is clean and ready to facilitate optimal water flow and aeration for the media. Now, let's assemble your K1 filter. Begin by carefully positioning an air stone or diffuser at the very bottom of your container. Then, connect this air stone to a robust air pump using a length of standard air tubing, ensuring a secure fit. Finally, introduce your K1 media into the container, aiming to fill it to about 60% of its total volume for efficient movement. To optimize your K1 filter's performance, ensure continuous and vigorous aeration. This constant bubbling keeps the K1 media in motion, maximizing surface area exposure for beneficial bacteria. It typically takes about 3 to 6 weeks for these essential bacteria to fully colonize the media, establishing a robust biological filtration system. Remember to regularly test your water parameters to confirm its effectiveness. For long-term success, proper K1 filter maintenance is key. Periodically, you should clean the filter container to remove any accumulated sludge, which can impede performance. However, be careful not to overclean the K1 media itself, as this can disrupt the vital bacterial colonies. Additionally, consider incorporating a pre-filter to minimize the amount of larger debris entering your K1 system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.